This is the brand new detail brush set available at Harbor Freight. And this 5-pack of brushes comes in at a whopping price of $7.99. Now, obviously, is the value there? 100%. But in today's video, we're gonna dive into this thing, look at it in more detail, and compare it to some of the originals, like the detail brush, right? That's the original guy. We're also gonna compare it to the quality of the Koch Chemie set, as well as just a more generic version that was also $7, $8 on Amazon, which you get actually more components, more included in this. So let's check them out. Now really quickly, why do you even need a drill brush set? They make life way easier and you're able to get more work done with less effort. It's kind of like using a polisher to polish out your car. Can you do it by hand? I mean, to an extent you can, right? You can do it. It's a ton of work. It's going to take longer versus throwing it on a polisher and getting the work done. Same thing with drill brushes. You hook this up, you go ahead and agitate all the areas you need to much, much faster and more efficiently for sure. All right, guys, so first up, let's go ahead and pop the Grants open. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just glued down, so pull the tabs up. So in this kit, we get 3 different 4-inch brushes. So you get the white, which is the softest of the bunch. You get yellow, which is the medium density. And then you get red, which is the most stiff. On top of that, you also get, I call this the toilet bowl brush, but basically you get the nice attachment here, and you can put this in and hit the curved areas, especially where like, say the center console goes into your floor. Sometimes stuff gets stuck in there, and this, you can use the angle to get in there and agitate that and get that stuff out, as well as a nice small, I don't know, 1-2 inch brush that you can also use. Now the only caveat to all of this is I would not use it in the way that they show online. On Harbor Freight's website, they actually there's some pictures on here as well. They show using the white. I'll go ahead and show you guys a picture of this. They show using the white on glass, mirrors, emblems, which are on your paintwork. No, I would not recommend using this on your paintwork. It's a softer bristle brush, but still too stiff for that, in my personal opinion. Also interior, yes, interior components are great. Then they show the yellow for floor mats. They're using this guy on lug nuts. Let's see here. Back to the white, you can use it on leather, carpet, upholstery, interior plastic components, all that good stuff. Really what they're advertising the yellow for, it says right here, yellow, they're stating hard plastics, rubber floor mats, and pet hair. So I mean, it's not going to collect pet hair the way other tools would, but it does have the density to be able to pull it out of some fiber, so I get that. And then finally, the red, they state for tires, wheel wells, liners, undercarriage, outdoor surfaces. So that's what you got. Now really quickly, I do want to touch on the connection point. So depending on what type of, if you have a drill driver or just a regular drill or whatever else, sometimes they use the regular shank, which twists closed and tightens over this piece, or they have the quick connect. And this does have the ability to be used with the quick connect version. So whatever type of drill you have, you'll be good. So with that said, let's go ahead and open up the white pack of drill brushes and just see the comparable quality of these things. So here is, here's the toilet brush style, but we're gonna hold off till the yellow one because the one from Harbor Freight is yellow, so we'll hold off on that. This kit comes with a 4-inch, a 5-inch, the toilet brush, and this little guy here. So really similar set here. Again, the Harbor Freight one comes with 5 pieces. This comes with 4, but everything you really need. Okay, so here are the 2 units. I'm not gonna tell you guys which one is which yet. Can you take a guess? The bristles on this one, just looking at the camera, look a little bit fuller to me over here, but this one looks more defined in each section. If you look up close also, hopefully this will focus for you guys, you can see all these little individual little pieces down at the base, right? Not all of these style brushes have that. And this is really nice because it gives you that extra ability. It just clumps each bristle together really nicely. This one has it, and this one has it. Both look really, really good. When we look at the overall length of the bristles, okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. This one is slightly longer. And then if you look at the thickness of this base between these two, okay, right there. Again, this one is slightly thicker. The finish of it is a little bit rougher. This one is very, very clean. And here you go, guys. The answer is this one is Harbor Freight. This one is drill brush. I mean, very, very, very similar construction. Are they using a different type of plastic? Yeah, maybe. This one seems to have a little more texture on the back. This one's more smooth. But overall, they both look to be fantastically built. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up the yellow one so that we can really compare the toilet bowl brush version. Construction on these are exactly the same as the other one, but now we can look at the toilet brush, and man, I gotta say, guys, if I wasn't looking at these side by side, I wouldn't be able to tell. If this one didn't have this little sticker on it that says drill brush, there's no chance I would be able to tell the difference between them. They look identical. So quality, Harbor Freight, good job. You're nailing it. Next up, let's go ahead and look at the drill brush set from Koch Chemie. Now, they have the yellow and then they have a red. They have a medium stiffness and then the hard. I'm not sure why they did that, except when I initially saw that, I was like, why'd they do that? Because people are gonna want the soft. So in this kit, you get a 5-inch brush, a 4-inch brush, and the smaller brush. This one comes in at like 15 bucks. The drill brush ones were around 20. Obviously the Harbor Freight one's 8 bucks, but you may not, I mean, if you're just wanting the one density, then there's really no reason to buy the whole thing. So when I initially saw the yellow, I was thinking it's gonna be the same as the yellow from the Harbor Freight one or the drill brush one, you know, a little bit stiffer, and we will test, we'll talk about the density of each of these in a minute. But right off the bat, guys, the density of the Koch Chemie one is very, very soft in comparison to the yellow from the other ones. It's similar. I mean, it actually feels less than this white brush. This white brush has a little more density to it compared to this one. This one just feels really nice and really full. Now, is it fuller than the others? No, it doesn't appear to be. They have the same type of construction, really nice little individual pieces that hold the bristles. Nice thick base to it as well, more like the Harbor Freight one. So again, this is a fantastic brush. I've used the Koch Chemie one on leather, upholstery, all that kind of stuff. It's fantastic. I really, really like it. So we're gonna stick this over here again so we can test the densities here shortly. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Amazon version. So in this version, the back packaging is pretty tight, right? So this has a little bit of indentions in the brush here. It is what it is, right? It's nice and cheap. So here is the white brush. And the density of this thing in comparison to, completely different here, guys. Completely different. Let's see. So if you take a look at the yellow brush that came from the Harbor Freight kit versus the white brush that came from the Amazon kit, stiffness-wise, wow. I gotta say the white brush seems stiffer to me and more aggressive than the yellow brush does from the Harbor Freight one. Now when we go to the drill brush version, the white one is actually made a little bit different. You can see the clumping of the bristles is less bushy, I guess, compared to this. And then especially the one here. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of the two white ones. And you can see a big difference, big difference. Quality here is fantastic. This one, I don't like. I don't like the toilet brush attachment stiffness or really the build quality of it that much from the Amazon kit, just to be honest. All right, guys, moving on to the 4-inch brush from the Amazon kit versus the Harbor Freight kit. Man, yeah, it's the cheapness of the Amazon one is showing it's showing itself. So if you look at the front, although this one does look more dense, these bristles aren't going to last as long, I don't think, because this is what I was talking about. You remember what I was talking about here? This kind of insert, this little bulge here that each bristle set comes out of. If that's picking up for you, hopefully. Okay, there. This Amazon one does not have it. As you can see, it's just flat all the way across on the base, and they're all kind of coming out of there. I don't think that gives the same amount of structure and longevity of the brush. Do I know that for sure? No, I don't. To be perfectly honest, I don't know that for sure. But I have used like the traditional drill brush style, and it did seem to last longer than the cheaper ones that I've used, so I'm assuming that's why. All right, we're gonna keep on going. Now we do have a small brush that is cone-shaped. This I really, really like. Again, the construction is it's not bad, it just doesn't have those extra little supports around each bristle pack. But this I really like. I like this a lot more than even a toilet brush style to get into the tight spots. I love this. And then another bonus with this Amazon one is you do get the extension. So you can install that in your drill. Pull the collar back on this one. Again, sorry, just to clarify, the connection point on the Amazon one is the same as the others, where you can use a regular chuck or the quick connect style. So anyways, your brush could be here, then you have this nice long extension that you can use to get into tighter spots. This thing's fantastic. Really, really like that. And last but not least, interesting, very interesting here, guys, the small brush. The small brush from Amazon, focus, does have those little individual little pieces around each bristle pack. So the build quality on that one seems much, much better. I don't know what to say about that. The other ones did not have it. The small one does. Now, what do I want to say about the Amazon pack? Still, fantastic value for the price. I think it's phenomenal. This one, though, from the Amazon pack, I wouldn't use personally, but I am very excited about this one. And none of the other packs came with this, so that's really cool. The small bristle brush, good build quality, all good there. The 4-inch version, even though it doesn't have the same supports around each bristle, the density feels really, really nice and actually softer than the one from Harbor Freight and softer than the one from the drill brush company itself. It actually feels similar to the one from Koch Chemie. I gotta say, guys, I did not expect this at all. The Koch Chemie one feels the most gentle to me compared to all the others. And I don't know if it's a dual density thing with the yellow and the black in there, but this thing feels great. And I have used it and I actually do love that. So that's a great way to go. However, the Amazon one, I would probably say feels to be the second most gentle out of everything. Drill brush and Harbor Freight are very similar, and I do want to state, even though those ones feel gentler to me, I've used the drill brush brand on many interiors with no issue, so don't worry about it. You'll be fine with that. All right, guys, as a bonus, I have a pack of the Koch Chemie Red. This is their hard drill brush. I just want to see, because I had it, I just wanted to compare it to the yellows. Because their yellow is much more like a white, I just want to see how this feels in comparison. To the red from Grant's. Nope, red is proper stiff. It's like the red from the Grant's one. So I think Koch Chemie kind of mislabeled these personally, in my opinion. I would say that the medium is really more soft. I really, really like this. The hard, though, is proper. It's like a hard, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, so now last but not least, we just want to check the density real quick and see how they feel. Again, the red, we have nothing to compare to other than the Koch Chemie ones, and red is red. It's the hardest. So right off the bat, this is the one from Grant's. And the yellow feels like a nice medium stiffness, not super stiff. Let's go ahead and feel the actual drill brush one. And I would say the drill brush feels a little more dense, meaning like it almost feels like there might be more fibers to it. So it feels a little bit stiffer. I think the bristle overall is the same stiffness, but again, this one just seems to collapse a little bit easier. And again, I don't know if it's more bristles or not, but it just feels a little bit, I would say the Grant's feels a little bit softer than the one from drill brush. Now moving on to the white, because I think that's really where most of us are going to live. This is the reason I wanted to review this and really see if it's worth buying the kit from Harbor Freight if you don't need all those other colors. Now again, yes it is, because it's $8. I think the value is there. But let's just go ahead and look at these in comparison. So this one is the drill brush. This one is the Grant's. And again, guys, obviously this is just anecdotal. I'm just feeling it myself here. And I gotta say, very, very, very similar. I would say, again, the Grant's feels slightly less to me. And again, it might be the density of each bristle, not necessarily the actual stiffness of it. But to me, this one feels softer, and yeah, that is the Grant's. So the Grant's feels a little bit softer, both with the yellow and the white. And then we'll keep with the Grant's because that one feels softer. This is the Amazon brush. And the Amazon brush absolutely feels gentler, more gentle than the others. Really, really nice. Again, build quality, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but again, at the price and the fact that you do get the extension and all these other tools, I think is a big win. Definitely the softest of the bunch here. And then when we compare that to the Koch Chemie brush, they're medium. It's oh, man, I don't even know. I almost want to say it feels even, again, just gentler than the Amazon one. This one's fantastic. Again, it's more expensive for a 3-pack compared to like $8 for a 5 or 6-pack, I think, from the Amazon. So do that with, I mean, let's talk about it. So guys, overall, my personal opinion is no matter which one you choose, if you're using a white brush, it's going to be soft enough for your interiors and things like that. You're not going to have to worry about anything crazy. Or the Koch Chemie medium, very, very soft. I would say the most forgiving feeling. Back to the Harbor Freight kit, would I use the brushes for what they show on their website and what they show on their packaging? Absolutely not. I would not use this thing on paint at all. Overall though, value-wise, Harbor Freight, you guys knocked it out of the park again, especially giving people the option of having different brushes if they need them. Really, really good job. Amazon, the build quality on the main brush, I don't know if it's as good, but it does feel nice and soft, and then you do get some awesome other components like this guy. So home run there as well, very, very good. Koch Chemie, the yellow, probably my favorite feeling out of the bunch. I've used this, like I said, in my head is still, to me, yellow is the medium, but not even close in stiffness, in the same stiffness. I'm just gonna push straight down. There, it takes collapse versus this one, super soft, very, very nice. With that said, and then the drill brush brand, the most expensive. The build quality is fantastic though. Consistency, I'm sure they've been around and doing their thing for a while. I've used them forever, they're great. And I believe they're the innovator of this whole thing. I don't know that for sure, but I think, at least they have the best name, right? They're drill brush from Useful Products. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that video helps you. Any of them are gonna be good. Again, I will link all of them in the description for you guys. But that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.